So I've now created a crafting bench and an advanced crafting bench. If I run up to the crafting bench, and now I can select crafting, and the regular normal crafting bench only has the stone items. So we add some items here. Put the stone in. I can craft the foundations, the stone foundations. And I also have the advanced crafting bench. If we go to advanced crafting bench, it can craft all of the stone as well as now I have metal. So if I was to craft the metal, so I crafted stone and metal. So if I come out, and I'll do the metal first. And then I can do the stone. And the line traces will be, they'll be gone. They're just for debug. So now I can craft and create structures.